Hello Odoo users, it's Eleanor from Cluedo here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use one of our modules to obtain an Excel report of your bills of materials, structure and cost. So let's get clued into Cluedo. First off, let's download the application. To do this we need to go into Settings, click Manufacturing on the left hand side and scroll to a little over halfway down the page until we get to Cost. On the bottom right hand side here we've got BOM Report Excel. I will tick that checkbox, click Save and give it a minute for those changes to take effect. With that all done, let's head back to our home screen and test it out. So I'm going to head into Manufacturing and click into Bills of Materials. I'll choose a bill of material. Let's go for desk combination. Now if I click into desk combinations, structure and cost reporting, you can see that alongside print and print unfolded, a new option for me has appeared called Export XLSX Unfolded. If I click this, an Excel report will be generated featuring all of the details of my bills of materials, costs and structure, like so. And that will look a little something like this. Now, those of you with eagle eyes may have spotted a bit of text at the top here talking about BOM comparison, and some additional fields here for inputting percentage cost price and percentage sales price. If comparing BOMs is something you would like to have in your manufacturing application, take a look at our video tutorial around BOM difference comparison. Similarly, if you would like these additional fields, check out our BOM cost and report extension tutorial. Both will be linked below. But for BOM Excel reporting, you're all clued up. Thank you for watching and see you soon on Cluedo.com.